Cord solder may be used for tinning the iron as well as for soldering joints. When the end of the solder touches the hot metal, the flux melts first, cleaning the surface. After the excess solder and flux are wiped off, a bright coating of solder, which does not oxidize, remains. Next, prepare the work itself. Here, enameled wires are to be soldered to previously tinned terminals. First, clean the enamel off the wire. A fine grade of sandpaper may be used for this purpose. Make certain that all the enamel is removed, but avoid damaging the wire itself. To form perfect joints rapidly, these cleaned wires are now tinned. To do this, build up a small pool of solder on the tip of the iron.